let's address an overstated concern: LED degradation in optocouplers. But is it really something to worry about? With Broadcom optocouplers, LED reliability isn't a problem. Built on decades of innovation, Broadcom's high-reliability LED technology is designed to minimize degradation and maximize lifespan. For over 50 years, Broadcom has refined its manufacturing processes, minimizing LED defects. Continuous improvements in materials, manufacturing, and screening ensure long-term reliability and prevent early failures. High-brightness materials, improved light extraction, and optimized designs reduce energy consumption, minimize heat, and enhance LED longevity, delivering better performance over time. That's why Broadcom optocouplers are trusted in industrial, automotive, aerospace, and other high-reliability applications, where longevity is critical. In highly accelerated life stress tests, Broadcom's optocouplers show less than a 10% drop in current transfer ratio, even after 1,000 hours of continuous stress. This exceptional performance ensures reliable operation for over 30 years under typical conditions. Built for longevity, Broadcom optocouplers deliver consistent, dependable performance over time. For more insights into optocoupler technology, visit www.broadcom.com.